So thank you in the current economic climate for coming out and spending your hard-earned money on God's sport. I come from a shitty little town in South Wales, Newport. Don't know if any of you know it. There's something tonight. So when I was a kid, we lived through a time where people in power were lording that power over us. And us working class people just had to suck it up. I mean, I'm not going to say it, but you guys can. And I'm fully aware that we all feel quite powerless right now, that we don't feel like we can do anything. We just have to suck it up and get on with it, and they can just do what they want. Well, the position I'm in right now, I get to call my shot, and the biggest knobhead out of the bunch of them, Trivet! Lovely boy, you get to come to Cardiff, 10 minutes from my hometown. You get to march down that aisle and hear 500 strong Welsh people, English people, Scottish people, Irish people, Americans saying, "Fuck you, Spike!" Come next week in Cardiff, I am going to eat you alive. Not just for me, for my dad who was made redundant from the steelworks, for my mum who had to go around every person's house trying to switch their electricity off. My mother, my goddamn mother, she worked for the electricity board during the miners' strikes. She had to walk to people's houses. How do you think that feels? Do you know what she did? She knocked on the door. Nobody was home. There were 5 people in every single house. I'm going to take the last 30 goddamn years' anger out on your head in Cardiff. I'm sorry, Dan Maloney, because I know you're going to want to get in line. Mike Bird, Spike Trivet, Cardiff.
Mike Bird takes the power back, calls his shot, Val. You don't have to be a fortune teller to know exactly what was going through his mind.
Yes.
When you are stopping 10 minutes from your home and you have a chance to call your shot.
And kudos to him for taking that shot, speaking his mind, and creating an opportunity for himself after that hard-fought victory. My goodness, that is a match we will be talking about for ages to come here in Progress and beyond. I mean, my goodness, what a match.